Hey, what's up, my fellow YouTubers, Custodians? I am sitting in the car waiting on my wife to get out of the doctor's office. Yes, it has been a while since I have posted any YouTube videos on anything about custodial work. It's been a really crazy time in my life here lately, and I'm just going to share a brief summary with that. Then I got some video footage of what's going on at our school this summer. And I will say this before I tell you what's kind of been going on in my life. This is the first summer in the 20 years that I have been doing this. Is actually my 21st summer to be doing custodial work. But this is the first time that I have not been behind a machine stripping and waxing floors. Why is that? Is our floors getting stripped and waxed? Yes, they are, but somebody else on our crew is doing that this time because we have so much moving to do this year. We're moving 30-something classrooms, not just in and out for stripping and wax. We are totally moving from one direction to the other, one room to the other in this humongous school that I work in. So we have only 2 people right now that are stripping and waxing, and the rest of us are having to move. We normally get moving people, but why in the world would a high school kid or a young college kid want to work for a minimum wage when now you can go out and get a job because of the demands of jobs? You can get a job making anywhere from $12 to $15 an hour starting out. So why would you want to work for minimum wage? So we have no moving help this year, first time in years. So us old timers are having to do it, go back to the way we used to years ago. And when I say old timers, I've got some age on me since I used to do all this moving. So I'm off today with my wife and trying to recuperate because I go back in for the next couple of days and be doing the same thing. But what's been going on a little bit, reason I haven't been posting very much, haven't been doing any very much, is my wife has been kind of sick, and these last 10 weeks of our life have just been very difficult, in and out of the hospital, surgeries, and different things today. So we're just here for a checkup. Now back to work. We are very frustrated at work. I am. I'm kind of burnt out. If I had 25 years in, I would sign the papers and I would retire and I would do something else. I would have that option, but I'm too close to retiring to do that right now. So I'm having to suck it up, buttercup, and get in there and do it. Just like some hard things are just going on at work, and a lot of changes going on, and it's really making our job hard, not having the help we need, being short-handed. But I just go in and work every day. I go home and get some rest, and then do it again the next day. So right here is some video footage of what's going on at school, how long it's taken us to move rooms, and the mess and the packing, the lack of quality of packing that has been done is ridiculous. But anyway, we got our flat carts, we got our hand trucks, and we're just moving. So that's what this is today. It's just actual footage of us moving furniture. See you guys. Have a great summer.
It's gonna take all day to move all this in 2 rooms.
We've got
That's more like garbage than furniture. Super sure. Oh well. Like it's gonna take us all day just moving food. It's like a 30,000 step move. Okay, this is our second collaborative classroom we're moving today. We're fixing to take a walk, a journey, all the way down the hall to the second floor. Hey, I like the sad face in my picture because I'm we done moved the wall. first time yet. Langler.
This is Langmuir?
Yes.
Okay, where does Langmuir go? So it's marked properly.
We're over 214. Smile, y'all on videotape.
We thought they made a change.
Smile, y'all on videotape.
They said that, she said that's what Miss Fowler told them, but Miss Fowler put it down, she put it back. Whatever.
What headache.
They had a fight. Oh. I'm gonna put this to the man. Here's the man. Now I'm just showing everybody how far we gotta travel. Maybe we won't. Hey, we got an Allen wrench. We can take that bar out right there. We got a guy named Allen over.
You want me to take that down?
You got a wrench?
Yeah.
Got a wrench? The Southern boys say. Okay. Hey, Alan, take them down, both of them. If I down there and go down too, you'll be good. Down the hill we go. Ooh, slow down now. This is what we do in the summer. Moving boys. We don't have any. We're the Okay.
Call it up.
Smart. Elevator time. We lose an hour a day on elevator, 2 hours a day on elevator time. It's moving, don't we? Yeah, it gets hot and it quit. My turn yet. Oh, we got these little old bitty elevator size. Little old bitty elevator. And go up. Don't ride the elevators around here because you just might get stuck. Oh! Oh! Had a crash. One-handed driving and videoing. Probably not a good idea. Everything in the center of the room. All right. Oh, so let me just come around here. Yeah, my hair looks like I combed it with a pork chop because I'm sweating. So, that big old room we just moved out of, moving into a smaller room. But that was the travel. How far we had to go. So if let's unload this cart, do it again.
Maybe my room, maybe this. Gonna have something done. Yeah, it's taken on the camera. It's all done.
Put it on the counter. I'm all done with the counter. So, takes about 20 minutes. So load a cart, load it down here, unload it, and roll back. Here we go.
One thing that I forgot to mention that we have summer school also going on in the midst of all of this. And the teachers get to use their own classroom. It's not centrally located, so they're like all over the building too, and we're having to dodge that. Are we going to get done this summer? Probably not. The moving to get done some way, somehow. But as far as floors and everything else and all the deep cleaning that we usually do that's going to get done, probably not. Hey, I got white out. Ooh, that was cool. Depends how you turn your head in the sun, I guess. Anyway, guess what? I'm going to take 3 weeks vacation too. May share some more video with you here in a couple of days. Y'all have a great day.